Rikers Island is a fearsome place. Located just off of Queens, the enormous jail complex houses adult defendants who can't make bail before their trials, some individuals convicted of misdemeanors, and sadly, a significant number of juveniles. Some of these juveniles, who are as young as 16, are serving their terms, while others await more serious charges involving guns, drugs, and violence. Rikers Island is, for many youths, their introduction to the criminal justice system, and the awful experience that follows profoundly impacts their young adulthood. Since 2009, students from Fordham Law School have traveled to Rikers Island 5 Sundays a term to teach a legal workshop for 16 through 18-year-old incarcerated juveniles. These workshops culminate in a mock trial.
The boys blew us away with their ability to logically weigh arguments and take different sides of the debate. We would start with a room full of kids who hated prosecutors and instinctively sided with defense every time, and we would end up with a talented team of prosecutors making rational and clear arguments in a mock trial against an equally invested defense team.
The mock trials were exciting because we got such a high level of involvement. The boys were really excited to show off what they learned and to argue forcefully for their side. There were some skilled orators that I think could represent any client well.
Today, we are looking to expand our Rikers Juvenile Educational Project to better support the young men we work with.
While I think the boys get a lot out of the lessons and the trial, one teen told me another benefit he appreciated. He thanked us for coming because we listened, and it was good to know that someone cared. I hope to move this program in a direction where we can listen to more people and address their needs.
A guard told us a great story. A law student encouraged one young man to do legal research on his case. The young man was instrumental in winning his own case, and after the law student graduated, he hired the young man as a research assistant.
We plan to gather information about the needs of incarcerated juveniles and to create materials that will address those needs. The young men that we work with have a wide variety of questions that need to be answered. Our aim is to give juveniles in jails across the nation materials that are easy to read and to access, to answer their questions, to help them through the confusing and frightening process of incarceration in order to change their lives for the better.